MeghalayaPost.news.
Man pensilu regi Samla pule bikin doni kata thong man kyo syaki kerdan ki basaneng haka pule ke putih badru ban ai burom mi kito ki Samla ki belale bah ki exam SSLC but HSSLC ka National People Youth Front Shillong City metaksi klap Pynkup Burom ya kito ki Samla ki bela pas ba hak ki examination arhajar ratusan hanong ba Shillong ya kene ke program Pynkup Burom ya kito ki Samla pule bela kuat adu nyo pongon lawan Pynkup Burom da commentary ka tanat ka kuat ka khia ka Dr. Amperin Lendo kum ka kongsan balasa kilang ru dak jingdon lang working president ka state NPP uba Hamlet Doling uno actin ka state NPP uba HM Shamplang ki Samla pule ki kimi ki pa bat gwe ki we nong ilam ka NPYF Shillong City habakaran nak kasi kum ka kongsan ka Dr. Amperendo kal ai ki jingiro ya ka NPYF Shillong City ka bala siem ya ka sen jam pan ai min siem ya ki khon Samla ha ka pule ka puthi bat kham tam ban ai burom ya ki to ki bala le bha ha ki SSLC bat HSSLC ki balong ru ka jing ai min sim na ka banta ka pateng jong ki Samla pule jong ka jela
ngai ku play but congratulate ipi baro ki Samla pule ki pas ba ha ki exam ka bershudep ka jongpi yes kem ka jing trestom ka jongpi playo ban khat yo so jong ka jing job but yes kem ka long ka jing kemen ya ka yeng ka sep ka jongpi ka jing kemen ya ka shtong ka thau ya ka institution ka jongpi but ka long ru ka jing kemen ya ka party jingi ka NBP bani i ba ki khon Samla jingi manta kila kham kila long ki ba nak ki ba start ki ba shampang hakaba gila i ya ka pas percentage ru ka ka bala bon pha bat ni so kemen sibun ban i ya ka ne ka result kumba ka long manta bat ka ne ka de ka dak jong ka jing ya chaprang ka jikye chaprang ji kum ka jala namar ka dug ka jai briu ka dug ka jala ka damla ban kiu la dagim don di ki briu ki banang bat ki basta pi pilong kata kalawei mo ki Samla ki kalawei joka yenga sem ka strong tha ka balang baka jala hi bro ka we tingi ka don bha ka jing kermen hapi namar bangi i yak jing trestom jong pi ka i jing la jong pi baka jing sampang ba ka jong pi bat ni da songwe ru ya ka NPYF ya ka baka pelong ya bakom kini ki program kamne baki pelong tang po Shillong City henre ki pelong ki kaleng ki district jong ka jala ka jongi hoi labanong kane ka jing persang jong ki kalong ka berde pinyo ya ki certificate bat ki mementos henre kawai bang kwa ban penpau pi kalong nambar kladon ka jeng keren ke basani de yang jong ki Samla jong ki NPYF bat ngi ka party NPP habi kwa ban pelong ya kini ki program ki bukom kini ngingim kwa ban pelong ya program tang ban chup de kom lani tang kata ka formalities lara ke bukom kini ki program ki long tang kum ki formalities ngi scam kan de ki jikdo jungi kanam long ka baran jingmon Andre hakajing kendu barki ke jeslo barngi nyong ni pelong ini program da kamen sim jong ke kli bat da kajing kermen hapi bagian ai ye ketika burom ka bakrau nam ta jong pi iwe bat pi yang ni baro ke Samla ni pilong ki badan bok sikade e namara ba ya pi ye ke jingla jong pi ye jing trestom jong pi lai thu tang khayeng asem tang ka ki institution jong pi rei lai thoru hapo ka NPP bat hak jalai borok we yak jala jong pi kata klong ke ka badan kam e ka ba pidi ban so thu namar ba yak trestom jong pi lala ban ai ta ka jingi thu lenel lai pilayo yak ta ka special recognition hak bre ba ka jala jong pi hak jong pi ka jong pi teges camp pirang ya batang yak ne ka ka jong jong pi yak ka jing ya testar jong pi habre ba ka janang jong star namar bangi sutoi habangi pej hapa ka jala chi hakleng lagi kita nang kam si bon ba ki khon Samla ki bami khman bapin salong kita kinong sandur ya ka state ka jongi laklong haka kam sarkar den hakidu ki banta pidei mapi kinong sandur ya ka jala ka jongi kadon ba ka jingkermen hapi namar ni sutu shai baki Samla habaki temui rokam pidang la benle mar pidang don ya ka men sim pidang don ya ka jengkut jengmut ka jongpi pidang don ka jeng nu jongpi pidang don ka trestom jongpi bat lang don ru ya ka men sim ban sacrifice le ban ie ki ba khoi ban em ya ka thong ka jongpi ikwa ya ka dur mar kumbolong manta abangi pet chapo ka state ka jongi bakar ki bapas IS la slampa dan shoot bapa IS po kat kita lajongi last kali ka slam arja khat ar khat lai bagi IS bari next year kajungi kata ka de benkli ban buak ka jingli phi hang ni re phiron kat ne ki samla hatu ka long mo bara ka jala jungi kinam dan ki IS kinam dan ki IFS ki IRS ki bah ka we jas ngi phi pin salong ki ban shong hatu postgrad ban thau ki policies ki ba per nam ta ka state kajungi Dr. Ampri ladan hang ni dari senior politician ngang ladan post secretariat rengai ya kata ki jura ki dan kam ban mi ki breu jong mereka jala jungi balong kita ki policies megar ban thau ki ai per nam ta ka state jungi hi baro ka we ai ba ka de ka jing kedua mental si ka de ka challenge bi lar ki we ki state la ban pin mi ki IFS ter balai ni ngamla ka pakong sang long ba pipit kut jingmut kanu ka em ju bidon kut jingmut la da phi kun jingmut kamdon ka bamla baro kadai ka bala kata kadai ka jingmut jong kadai ka jing kedo jingi menta kaski da ka jing kirkli ba da ka jing kermen bhi ni belong ni di program bamta bagi soban ai kublai ya ka NPYF ka bashimi ni ka senjam ka bakya hadu kata bat pelong program kemungkinan kamle kam basuk riklale ilak jong ka banta ka jong phi tedak le jonga sesien ai kublai pi baro ki samla puli ka dah kapor ai ba phitang la ban pen janai phitang la ban pen tension ya ka jing puli ka jong phi nang ni sakhambat namar gidan kam ya pi ki samla ki panang ki basta namar ka jing nang ka jing start na chu pi kalong kum kawai lam arliang serti kanu kadu kejenge kamla ban khan la bidon kejenang jengstan ai batai jengstan kan song trai haki jengmut kejem bakhat ka jong phi ha bawai gaski kastia jugi kejala jugi kapmi ki babun ke khrau prakhat ke rostat ke shampang ban penyai yak stia jugi baru ki balong kita ki long song snong nane kita ki aset ki babha namta kejala jugi hi barok kowe
NPYF Shillong City, all the dignitaries, cadres of the NPP in their youth body, Principal Madam, and all our dear students who today once again have been recognized for their exemplary performance in the board examinations conducted through various boards in the state of Meghalaya. Andreas was just reminiscing his past performance. We sang a song for a young person who lost his way and was tempted, and the biggest temptation of falling prey to drug addiction. Dear Andres, sometimes the marks that we receive in the papers are not as qualitatively evaluated in our lives. 95% marks on a board examination may not be as fulfilling as a 95% joy of life in our future lives. So Andreas, like you, there are many citizens who for various reasons were not able to mug knowledge and information adequately, have the joy of life. And today, it is that joy which is the most disturbing and the most painful. I would like to quote the Bible, Zechariah 7:9. The Lord of heavenly forces proclaims, make just and faithful decisions, show kindness and compassion to each other. Every biblical or religious document professes something which is not just an evaluation of knowledge, And today, I join hands with the leader of our government, our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Samla, supported by both the Deputy Chief Ministers of Bak Prestone and Bak Snau, to express the government's sincerest appreciation of all of your performances. 91% pass percentage is a percentage which 2 decades ago could never seem achievable. But this government, in the leadership of the MBA both 1 and 2, has testified to the people of the state of Meghalaya that we are leaving no stone unturned to appreciate, to provide, to upgrade, and to send one message home. If you are willing to take up the challenges of your life, your government is listening and taking productive interventions to better your life. Andreas also spoke about policy. What is this policy that the people of the state of Meghalaya urgently require? Yesterday, the cabinet, in the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, was pleased to revisit the syllabus of the qualifying examination pattern for the state civil services examination. We have decided in our collective wisdom to review that which was left pending and unattended to for so long. Today, all citizens of the state of Meghalaya have a level playing field where no special or alternative subject will dictate your performance in the examination. Second policy, governments have come and gone. The state is now 52 plus years. Did we have an engineering college? No. Today you have a qualified, recognized engineering college. Did the state have its own state university? No. Today the state has its own state university. Is there a shortage of doctors in our health facilities? Yes. Was there a debate and a discussion for an urgent requirement to institute a state medical college? Yes. Years flew past us, no decision. Today, we are at the fag end of the commemoration and institutionalization and commencement of our state medical college. Was primary education given the necessary correction and attention in all these years that passed by? There was willingness. There was effort put in. But today, the state has some of the best schools from pre-nursery all the way up to the graduation levels of education. Is there space for all toppers in this great competition that we've just heard and seen and witnessed just now? Yes, there is a space for all. Have we decided to reform the examinations of various employment agencies recognized by the government of Meghalaya? Was it discussed for many years? It is this government which has fulfilled the aspirations of all citizens of the state of Meghalaya. From November 2025, there will be no more scope for manipulation of examinations and results in especially the lowest level of job selection, which is DSC. This government is a government that acts. Do the people realize it? Time will tell. We are here not to give you lip service, but to assure you that we are making systems functional in this generation. You give the NPP an opportunity to continue in its governance. You will see substantial, tangible, evaluated success stories. Look at the roads, look at the water, look at the health, look at all the other social indicators. NPP is delivering its promise to the people. The people will stand to judge us. But while we go ahead, we will assure you that if there's any problem that any citizen has, we are here to hear you. It is incorrect to obscure the truth. It is incorrect to say that students do not get scholarships. Our government, in the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, has made sure that we are there to attend to the need of our students. Since drugs was discussed and a song was written to talk about the problems of isolation of young people. Dear young citizens of the state of Meghalaya, you can perform. You will get marks. You have the talent. You have supporting family systems. You have a supporting government. But the devil is working in your minds. Like I said, talent is given to all. Let us resolve in this forum today to tell every young person to take a pledge that the devil shall not destroy or destruct or distract my life. On behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister, on behalf of the Deputy Chief Ministers who are not here to laud this wonderful program, I take this opportunity to thank each and every young person in this auditorium. Thank others also who probably did not get this information, whether it is 50, 60, 90. Marks are irrelevant. Get 95 or 100% in your lives. Be happy. Money nor marks can buy happiness. The only way we can turn our backs on the temptation of drugs is to take control of our lives. With these few observations, may the state of Meghalaya grow from year to year, from decade to decade, and long live the NPP and its frontline organizations.
MeghalayaPost.news.